All right, we're gonna do a quick video of this chipper. Obviously it's a pretty big commercial size one. Runs great. It's got pretty low hours. I'll have pictures of the hours and all the particulars in the description. Super clean unit. It's got an issue somewhere in this. I don't really know exactly the issue. Gentleman said it's got an issue, so it's in there. I don't know exactly, but that's why the chute is off and the side cover's off. So pieces are there, obviously goes on right there. Not sure the exact issue, but it does have an issue. Let's fire it up. Runs great. There's your hours. Got the John Deere diesel motor. Runs really well. Got a hydraulic leg on there too, lifts up and down. And yeah, so come check it out. Preview day, Friday before the sale, the day before, 9 to 4. That's when you can come check it out. Any questions in the meantime, let us know. Get you a wood chipper. Very nice. I think it's a Woodsman. But like I said, I'll have all the description in there of what it is and all that good stuff. So just want to do a quick video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys preview day.